SUNBELLY privacy screens. Product knowledge. SUNBELLY privacy screens easily enhance outdoor living spaces of all kinds. Whether you're looking to add privacy, wind screening, or even shade to your projects, SUNBELLY makes it easy. They're fast and easy to install on any new or existing deck, patio, or landscaping project. SUNBELLY's versatile components let your ideas come to life. Premium projects need premium products. SUNBELLY privacy screens give you fast and easy installs, long-term value, safety, and building code compliance. Let's start with our basic components. Our posts, our screens, and our L brackets. These are the base of any SUNBELLY installation. Let's focus on our posts. First, our base plate. Ours are welded on for strength, which eliminates you having to bolt something together inconsistently. SUNBELLY's base plate measures 5¼ inches square for stability. Pre-drilled and easy to fasten through into lumber, composite decking, PVC decking, and concrete. Next is our top cap made of matching powder-coated aluminum. Our cap is included with each post. It fits externally for added protection. A lock screw is included to hold each cap in place. Next is our post skirt, made of aluminum with a matching powder-coated finish. Each post comes with a skirt included. Easy, two-piece installation, which invisibly locks together. Most importantly, let's look at our post itself. Each post is 3 inches by 3 inches for stability, made from 2.5 mil aluminum for unparalleled strength. Finished with our durable, UV-enhanced powder coating. All of this strength makes SUNBELLY safe and compliant for guardrailing building code. SUNBELLY posts are available in 3 heights: 72-inch, 44-inch, and 108-inch. Each length has the welded base for easy surface installation onto decking or concrete surfaces. Another option is to side mount your posts to the outside of your deck. Always check with SUNBELLY to find the best brackets to use for your side mount application. Securely install your brackets. Cut the base plate off of the post, then slide it into the bracket and secure. Subgrade applications are another great way to use SUNBELLY posts. Dig out the earth to your needed depth. Place the post in the hole, make sure it's plumb, and then backfill around the post. This is ideal for projects involving patio stones and other landscaping features. These wide-ranging installation applications provide incredible design versatility, more project potentials, and can be available in 3 designer colors. Now, let's talk about our screens. They come in a standard width of 36 inches. This maintains consistency and project symmetry. All screens are made from 2 mil aluminum for engineered strength. Each screen is precisely pre-drilled. These are done to match our L brackets. Each hole has been engineered and placed for maximum strength. SUNBELLY screens have a phenomenal finish. They're each powder-coated for consistency. Our powder coating is UV enhanced to resist fading from the sun. It's extremely durable and maintenance-free. It can be available in 3 designer colors. Profile. Each of our screen profiles is laser cut. This provides a precise, consistent finish with no burrs. Each profile is reversible for additional design flexibility. SUNBELLY offers 8 incredible profiles to choose from. Blurred lines, high tide, streamline, planks, next line, solid, barcode, and blurrier lines. These profiles all make up our standard 68-inch height screen offerings. Our Shorty series 40-inch height screens are available in most of the same profiles as well. And most can be available in our 3 color options of black, white, and bronze. Now to show our L brackets. Pre-drilled, drilled to match pre-drilled holes in our screens. Made from matching, powder-coated aluminum. Hardware. Includes self-tapping screws to mount the bracket to the post. Includes machine screws to connect the L bracket to the screen. And it comes with nuts to lock everything together. Paired. L brackets are sold as a 2-piece set. It's easy as one set is needed to install one screen. The assembled heights of SUNBELLY components is important to understand. First, let's look at our standard screen assembly. The posts measure 72 inches in height. Once the caps go on to finish the posts, you add an inch to the top to give you a finished height of 73 inches. Standard screen panels are 68 inches high, which gives you space to allow a 4-inch lift. Now, let's look at our shorty screen assembly. These posts measure 44 inches in height. Once the caps go on, they add an inch to the top, which gives you a finished height of 45 inches. Shorty screen panels are 40 inches in height, which provides the space for a 4-inch lift. The 4-inch lift meets most spacing code requirements and allows snow and debris to be easily swept under your screen assembly. Installation. The installation processes shown are virtually identical for either our standard or shorty height screens. Let's start with the basic installation process. Step 1. Mount your first post using appropriate fasteners and proper blocking. Step 2. Measure exactly 36 inches between posts. Step 3. Install your next post securely. Step 4. Install the L-brackets to both posts using the self-tapping screws provided. Make sure to allow space for the top cap to be placed after. Step 5. Install the screen using the machine screws and nuts included with the L-bracket set. Ensure all nuts and screws are tightened snugly. When specific project dimensions don't align exactly with SUNBELLY component sizes, here are a couple of great ways to make it work. In cases where the screen dimension is less than our standard 36-inch width, our flat bracket is simple to make everything fit. Step 1. Mount your first post with appropriate fasteners and necessary blocking. Step 2. Mount your second post where you'll need it to be. Step 3. Measure precisely between these posts. For this example, our measurement will be 27 inches. Step 4. Install the L-brackets to each post with the supplied self-tapping screws. Step 5. Carefully cut the screen to the width you'll need. In this case, we'll cut it to 27 inches. Step 6. Install the screen to one side of the L-brackets with the machine screws and nuts provided. Pre-drill new holes through the cut screen side through the other L-bracket holes. Step 7. Mount the flat bracket by sandwiching the screen between the L-bracket and flat bracket and secure snugly with the longer machine screws and nuts provided. For a little extra width, SUNBELLY spacers are another popular option. They're available in widths of 1, 2, 3, and 4 inches. When installed onto either side of our 36-inch screens, they offer total widths of 38, 40, 42, and 44 inches respectively. Our example will span a 42-inch width, so we'll use the 3-inch spacers on either side of the screen. Step 1. Mount your posts securely with appropriate fasteners and suitable blocking. Confirm your measurement between posts is 42 inches. Step 2. Mount the L-brackets to the spacers using the machine screws and nuts provided. Once secure, mount the spacers to the post using the self-tapping screws from the L-brackets. Step 3. Connect the screen to the L-brackets snugly with the machine screws and nuts provided. For widths greater or less than our 36-inch screen size, SUNBELLY's U-channels are a great option to consider. Step 1. Mount your posts securely using appropriate fasteners and suitable blocking. Step 2. Mount your second post securely where we'll need to be. Step 3. Install the U-channels onto the posts with the supplied self-tapping screws. Install the base blocks on the bottom of the U-channels inside. Step 4. Measure the width in between the inside of each U-channel. Our example here will be 42 inches. Step 5. Cut composite, PVC decking, or 5/4 lumber to your needed length. In our case, it will be 42 inches. Your filler pieces have to have a net measurement of 1 inch to fit inside the channel snugly. This is a great opportunity to coordinate with your decking materials or tie into other design elements for your project. Step 6. Slide the cut pieces down into the channel from the top and space them out if desired with the metal spacers provided. Secure the last cut filler piece from the top with the top block. Here's some great project suggestions that people are using SUNBELLY for. First, with our standard screens, privacy features, wind screening, shade panels, railings, outdoor kitchens, pool and spa surrounds, outdoor showers, fireplace surrounds, partitions, and even retaining wall tops. And now some projects with our shorty panels, hiding various mechanical, including air conditioners, pool and spa equipment, heat pumps, outdoor kitchens, spa surrounds, railing features, partitions, retaining wall tops, and even for capping pony walls. Before we go, here are some key SUNBELLY advantages that are very important. The SUNBELLY system is engineer rated to meet and exceed national guardrailing codes, providing maintenance-free performance in all weather extremes. SUNBELLY is backed with an industry-leading limited lifetime warranty, fast and easy installation on new and existing projects, maximum versatility to generate more project opportunities. Premium projects need premium products.